In an era where food security remains a global concern, an empowering solution lies within our own backyards. Home gardening, once a pastime for enthusiasts, emerges as a practical answer to the pressing issue of ensuring sustainable food sources. Today, we explore how planting a seed can lead to a plateful of solutions. Imagine transforming a small patch of land into a bustling ecosystem of fresh produce. Home gardening not only provides a steady supply of nutritious food, but also significantly reduces our carbon footprint by minimizing reliance on large-scale farming and transportation. Cultivating your own vegetables and herbs can cut down the journey from farm to table, ensuring the freshest ingredients for your meals. Starting a home garden requires basic knowledge and minimal resources. One needs to understand the soil, sun exposure, and types of crops suitable for the local climate. By planting seasonal vegetables and rotating crops, gardeners can maintain soil fertility and boost yields without the need for chemical fertilizers or pesticides. In this way, home gardening sustains biodiversity and promotes environmental health. Moreover, home gardens serve as education hubs for families. Children can learn where their food comes from, grasp the essence of sustainability, and develop healthy eating habits. The tactile experience of sowing seeds, nurturing shoots, and harvesting produce instills a sense of responsibility and fosters a deeper appreciation for food. Not only do these gardens provide sustenance, but they can also relieve the economic burden on households. By investing in seeds and compost instead of weekly grocery expenses, families can enjoy fresh produce without breaking the bank. In conclusion, from seed to plate, home gardening stands as an essential pillar for food security. It bridges the gap between consumers and nature while promoting self-sufficiency and environmental stewardship. As we plant today, we harvest a more secure, sustainable tomorrow. Let us embrace this age-old practice and contribute to a greener, resilient world.